Yeah, we're just looking to put on some number labels for the bins because it starts from like bin 1, bin 2, bin 3, bin 4, all the way up to bin 6 here. And all the other bins around here have number labels up top. If you look over there, there's like bin 9 over there. We just kind of want to make it more consistent so that way you don't actually have to count like how many, I don't know what you call those things, but those little green poles, you don't have to count them to see which bin you're in. Because normally we put them on the ground here, and you can see that one's still there, but if you look at bin 4's is completely erased.
Gone, eh?
So it would be easier to just put them up top on the wall, and you don't have to worry about them being completely wiped off.
Perfect.
Yeah, yesterday we ended up setting up the number signs. If you can see them up there on top of all the cabinets. We didn't have those before. I would have liked to have had them centered, but we couldn't center them because we don't have any backing that we could have put the signs onto. So we ended up having to put them onto the little green posts. So now all we have to do is just make sure to remember that the number for the bin is going to be, or the bin for the number rather, is going to be to the left of the number itself. So this area here would be bin 3, even though the bin 4 sign is over there. It's just a little bit of memorization, but overall it's still better to have those numbers up there and kind of so you can kind of know where the line's going to be rather than not have the numbers at all. So,
Cool.
yes, sir.
So what waste are you eliminating?
Time.
Right.
Definitely eliminating time waste because normally you'd have to come over here and you would be looking for, oh, what number is this? Well, you can't really tell because it's scratched out, right? So then you'd have to count the posts. You'd be like, well, that's bin 1 there, that's bin 2 there, so that means that this is bin 3. And then you would have to take that time to actually think about what you're doing, which, I don't know, I ain't got no problem with that, but this is just easier, right? So